Alright, here is my second video. Malaga Cove, one of my favorite sites. I haven't been to many though. There's a lot of rocks here. I've definitely fallen on these rocks before. So I'm going to be very careful getting into the water. Already I like the visibility. Getting slightly better at pulling the straps back for the gun. And right away I see a perch. It's the first time I've caught something like right out. And so I don't even know what to do. I am really new at this part of the process. It's okay, so I think I'm supposed to gut the fish. And do something with the scales. I don't know how this knot got tied into the fish here. It's kind of embarrassing actually. So when I see this shark, I kind of freak out, and that's the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed.